If you want to know how can you delete the Netflix search history in your mobile device, today in this video I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. Now first, if you open the Netflix app and wait for it to load up, of course, from here once you go to the search icon in the bottom of the screen, so tap on the search icon, you'll be taken to the screen. Now these movies are not a search history because Netflix does not store this search history. It's just suggestions, just like the ones you see on YouTube. But if you want to delete the view or the watch history, tap on the three dots on the watch and then go ahead and tap on remove from row. Just like that, you have removed it. Now, of course, you can go to your browser, tap on here in the top left corner, and we're going to delete the view history or the watch history. So tap on account, and then from here tap on the viewing right here, and you'll find every episode or every movie that you have watched. Scroll down and tap on hide all right here. Then tap on yes, hide all my viewing history or activity, and just like that, you're good to go. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.